So today I want to talk about something I like to call one line, one shape. And I use this a lot when I'm making so many different things, mostly dingbats or ornamental designs. But this is an awesome thing if you are learning to become a designer, okay? Just seriously gold, okay? And that is you make one line, one curved line, one whatever line, and you build it into a shape, okay? And if you want more of these tutorials, you just need to make sure you're part of my courses VIP group. You can go to karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. I can't even talk. And you will get these videos every single week and anything else I'm doing, okay? So it's really fun. All right, let's make our one line. Now here's the cool thing. You don't even have to make the one line. You could take it from a piece of typography. In fact, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to type, and we're going to click a single time on the artboard, and we are going to use a bracket. Now, if I hold down my shift key and I make a bracket, mine's really tiny. Let me make it bigger for you. I'm going to hold down my shift key and pull it up. Okay, so this line is basically a bracket, and brackets were really popular for a while. People made all sorts of cool shapes out of them. But we don't want exactly this line, but we want to turn it into some kind of line, okay? So we can build a shape from it. So right now it's still a piece of type. You can see that with the line underneath. We just need to expand it. So go to Object, expand it, push OK, and now it's become this object that we can draw on and we can do things with, things that we couldn't do when it was type. So now we're going to take our pencil tool, which is right here under my shaper tool. If you don't see it, hold down with your mouse and click on pencil tool. Okay, so I do want this thing selected, and it wasn't selected, so selected it. Now I'm back on my pencil tool, and now I can see all of the anchors. Do you see all those anchors? We're going to change this a little bit. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, remember with the pencil tool, we got to start on a line and end on a line to close up the shape. So I'm just going to cut this off a little bit here, just like that, okay? And actually, this is a pretty great shape. I'm going to rotate it around and see what I've got here. Let's see. Maybe let's change this little bit down here, just like that. And maybe this one will also end with that little curve. How easy was that? Okay, this is our one line. How do we turn it into a shape? Okay, and actually I don't like that end, especially since we have so many curvy lines. Let's come over to my pencil tool, and I'm just going to round it out. Okay, that is a great little line, little random swirly line. Okay, grab that whole thing and do a copy and paste. Go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, or use your shortcut keys. Hold down your Shift key, come over to your Reflect tool. It is hidden under your Rotate tool. And I'm going to reflect out. I'm going to grab my Selection tool, and I'm going to come to the top. And now I'm going to add it, so it's going to be touching that previous shape. Now I'm going to come in a little bit closer and make sure they overlap a little bit. I'm going to select both of these, and we're going to align them to the top. So go to Window, Align, and that brings up our Align window. And we are going to vertically align them to the top. You can see I'm getting some little points there. I'm going to just zoom in, just like that. And let's just key this way a little bit. We do want them to touch because it's not good if they don't. So I'm going to make those touch, and now I'm doing an object group that keeps them together, and then we're going to copy and paste it again. Make sure you're selected on both of these, okay? So Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and take your Reflect tool, hold down the Shift key. We're going to go down, okay? So move your mouse down while you're holding the Shift key, and it should reflect it upside down for you. And I'm coming over to my Selection tool. We're going to bring this in. Make sure that they're overlapping, and I'm going to grab this whole thing, and I'm going to vertically align them, or horizontally align them to center. Wow, I can't talk. I just know where it is on my Illustrator palette. Okay, you guys, we just made a shape. So now we're going to take this shape, we're going to object group it, okay, because we want our original, right? We're going to edit, copy, edit, paste, and now I have a second shape. So now we have to fill this thing in. So what we need is our Pathfinder window. Mine's up here, but if you don't know where yours is, go to Window and Pathfinder. And we are going to unite them. It doesn't look like it did anything, but it did. And then we're going to take our direct selection tool, and if we have overlapped, if we haven't overlapped, we might run into some problems here. I'm going to select off of everything, okay? And then I'm going to select the inner portion of this shape. Delete, delete. Oh, and there we have a new unique shape. So one line, one shape. All you have to do is tweak that line, that same line that we started out with a little bit. It will create a different and new shape for you every single time. So that's my goal, is that you guys are building these cool new shapes for whatever you're working on. Silhouette projects, SVG projects, website design, logos, whatever you're working on, that you are making something really cool. Okay, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys later.